In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly for your team scheduling. This guide will walk you through the process of inviting your team members, setting up events, and customizing the details to fit your team's unique needs. Let's begin by navigating to the Admin Center. You'll notice that in some cases, users may not have accepted their invitations yet. If that's the case for you, don't worry. We can address that first by sending out invitations. Here's what you need to do. Click on the Invite User option. You'll be prompted to enter their email addresses and assign roles to each team member. Roles are important because they determine what each person can do within your Calendly account. Once you've filled in the necessary details, go ahead and send out those invites. This way, your team members will receive an email invitation to join and collaborate on your scheduling setup. Once your invitations have been sent and you're back on the homepage, it's time to create an event. Creating events is at the heart of how Calendly works, allowing you to manage schedules efficiently. Begin by clicking on the option to create an event. Here, you'll be able to input all the essential information that will make attending your event straightforward for your invitees. Start by adding a meaningful name for your event that conveys exactly what it's about. This helps avoid any confusion when team members receive their invitations. Next, set the duration. Whether it's a quick 15-minute check-in or an hour-long discussion, you can tailor the event length to suit its purpose. After that, move on to determining the location. This might be a physical meeting room or a virtual space, such as a Zoom or Teams link, and specifying this now can save a lot of back and forth later on. Another key area is availability. Here, you'll define the times when you're willing to host the event. Consider your team's schedule and time zones. This can help ensure maximum participation. Then, set the invitee limit by entering the number of people who can attend. This helps in managing the size of the meeting, ensuring it's conducive for effective communication. Once these major details are in place, go ahead and click on the More Options button. This section allows you to add any additional information or customizations your event might require, such as setting a personalized message for invitees or adding questions they need to answer before the event. After you've fine-tuned these details to your liking, hit the Create button. Congratulations! You've now successfully set up Calendly for your team scheduling. This structured approach not only helps streamline the scheduling process, but also ensures everyone is on the same page, right from the get-go. Be sure to check your setup occasionally and make necessary adjustments based on your team's evolving needs. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling!